Or he does this on
Oh my gosh.
You look
Every ring. Look who's home.
You can't send this.
Don't piss me off. Off now. Go to bed.
Josh.
I'm trying. You got it.
After a wild night at the Orner household, I am heading to Chicago for the Illinois State Toy and Game Fair / Illinois State Yo-Yo Competition. I am judging this thing, and I'm also competing in the duos division. It's gonna be a good time. Go for it. Whoa!
Ladies and gentlemen, representing for...
Yay! Twerking on him!
Yeah, okay.
Oh, y'all got Jenny? Yeah.
When was this? We didn't
go.
go. We need to reach out to Roland and Daniel. Is everybody cool with them? Yeah, we good? There we go.
Let me out.
We're trying to get you out. Poor guy.
Just watching him make.
So you don't have to glare from the windows.
Oh, sure, yeah. Thank you. Dude, this is insane.
You got the Sears Tower right there. The Trump Tower right there.
That's Trump Tower right there?
Yeah, with the
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
yeah.
That's crazy.
And then you got the Trump Tower over there.
Yeah.
And then that's one in Chicago, which is the bigger one.
Those people are so mean.
No, we don't.
We weren't talking about you, we were talking about some.
I love how this jacket looks. That's so fun. Chicago.
Let's go.
I'm back in Chicago.
This.
Wait,
You opened it all. Looked at the cards, put it all back. Y'all saw I got cooked in the last video.
Put this with your bolt, man.
About not getting no hits. I do this every day. I'm used to this. I'm used to not getting hits. I open lots of packs on a daily.
Bingo.
Wait, who?
Canva.
It's true.
You're
Snow!
really behind our...
A final, and then our Doc Lucky's duos division.
Expensive.
I don't know if it's worth the cost.
You want beans and rice?
crazy.
Josh, let's get up.
Why don't you? What you should do is put it out on Party Island. Put it out on Party Island.
When the cost was high, he lived for Jesus, unafraid to die.
It's 5 in the morning and it's very cold. It snowed 4 inches today and Dane's gonna water ski.
I am. Oh, wait.
It's really windy outside. It's November 26th. Water skiing's happening. 50-mile-per-hour wind gusts, 26 degrees. You guys are crazy.
First time?
True American heroes right here. Oh, it's cold out. This is so stupid.
It'd be so cold if it wasn't for the cold. Oh, for what? I said for a cruise, and then I started getting splashed in the face. Those stupid ass Malibu hulls and every other boat ever. No, Jake, we could have done sliders.
Shut up.
Levi goes, "Can I please come and record?" And I was like, "Yeah, normally we beg for a recorder and no one wants to come."
I'm pulling it for Jake. What the fuck? He's doing a sit dock. You're doing a slider.
Woo, yeah. Exactly. Pull it for me and he'll hang on. He's already in skiing formation. No, you're not.
Dane almost fell. Oh my gosh. Are you so cold?
My feet are missing. I know. That's what I'm saying. We had no other option.
We had 4 more days.
Great success! Was it worth it?
That was always worth it. I want to go again now. I don't know why Jake wanted to be done already.
You're insane.